Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I am going to show you how to do this 5-minute glitter eyeshadow look. It is super easy and let's get started. So the very first step is applying a concealer and setting with a powder, which I have done off camera. And then I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow, packing it on my lid using a small blending brush. The reason I'm using a small blending brush is because it gives me more control, and I'm packing brown shade slowly and blending it in circular motions. If you want, you can use a big fluffy blending brush, but personally I like small brushes because it gives me more control. This is a dark brown shade and I'm just packing it all over my lid. And then I'm going in with a lighter brown shade and I'm going to diffuse my crease using the light brown shade on a different fluffy blending brush. Now this brush is a little bit bigger than the previous one. This is because that we can diffuse the crease and make it softer. Then I'm going to take a matte white eyeshadow and highlight my brow bone. And then I'm using a clean blending brush and diffusing that matte white eyeshadow as well. Also, I'm highlighting my inner duct area with a white shimmer shade and bringing it towards my lower lash as well. And then I have added a little bit of brown shade in my lower lash line and blending it as well. Then I'm taking this gold glitter from e.l.f. It's a liquid glitter and I'm just packing it all over my lid. And while I was packing the glitter, I realized I almost ran off this bottle, but luckily I made through this eye look. And then I'm going to take Maybelline gel liner and use it under my eyes as a kohl. I am using a pencil brush and I'm creating a liner as well using the gel liner. Then I'm curling my lashes, applying Mehak Stack black mascara, and this is my final look. Hope you loved watching this video. I will see you in next video.